Well, we're a coffee roasters and tea merchants, have a beautiful old shop in Lancaster. There's a lot of heritage there. But we also now have 3 cafes in Lancaster. The Music Room, which is a beautiful Georgian Rococo pavilion. The Hall, which is a 1930s parish hall. And the Castle itself. We also have a very busy wholesale business and an ever-thriving online business now. We were reaching a period where we felt there was an opportunity to not just to consolidate, but also to grow in certain areas of the business. We'd identified online as a sector that we wanted to try and expand. Of course, when lockdown happened, we just reached, I think we'd gone through like 2 months of quite decent consolidation after a long period of growth, existing growth through the physical kind of domain. And we wanted to expand in the digital domain. And in a way, the lockdown gave us that opportunity. Being on the 2.0 programme enabled the relationship we have with Goosener Gin now, and we stock their products. We're really up for these kind of collaborations with our products with different people. So who knows, maybe we'll see an Earl Grey gin or something in the future with a collaboration with one of our fellow contributors on the 2.0 programme. We had a load of different really interesting workshops and peer-to-peer groups. I'm quite familiar with those from working as an entrepreneur in residence at the business school here in Lancaster University. But what they give you is a real insight into other people's businesses and how we can all adapt in different ways. So the business, of course, has now reopened. We lost 90% of the business overnight at the first lockdown and watched the online sales grow by 600%. So that was a success story. We've reopened everywhere and all the cafes have come back stronger than ever. So the wholesale's also come back stronger than ever. The idea of coping with this digital growth is now matched by the physical growth that's occurring.